Welcome. This video will be about the topic about the 7 logic gates and their truth tables. There are 5 logic gates you need to know for the CSEC exam. They are the NOT, AND, OR, NOR and NAND gates. For the CAPE Unit 2 Physics exam, you'll need to know these 5 and 2 others known as the XOR and XNOR logic gates and truth tables. This is the NOT gate, also called the inverter gate, the simplest of them all. An input of 1 would give an output of 0, and an input of 0 would give an output of 1. Learn the diagram and truth table as it'll be useful for the NAND, NOR and XNOR gate. This is the AND gate. Learn the diagram for it. Notice that there is 2 inputs and 1 output. The truth table for this is easy to remember. The output would only be 1 if and only if both inputs are 1. If you were to increase the number of inputs to 2, 3 or 4 or however inputs you would like, then the number of combinations would change because of the formula 2 to the power of n, where n is the number of inputs. For example, if there are 3 inputs, then you'll have 8 combinations in total, so you'll get 8 outputs, and so on. However, for the CSEC exams, you only need to focus on 2 inputs. This is the OR gate. The output would be 1, if any of the inputs is 1. This is the NAND gate. Notice how the AND gate is connected to a NOT gate. Remember, the NOT gate is also known as the inverter gate, so whatever the output is from the AND gate, you just need to invert the output to get the NAND gate truth table. This is the NOR gate. Notice how the OR gate is connected to NOT gate. Remember, the NOT gate is also known as the inverter gate, so whatever the output is from the OR gate, you just need to invert the output to get the NOR gate truth table. This is the XOR gate. It is the same symbol of the OR gate, just an added curve. The output would be 1 if and only if one of the inputs is 1. Just remember one or the other, not both, and you'll remember the truth table. This is the XNOR gate. It has an XOR gate connected to a NOT gate. The truth table will be easy to remember if you know the truth table for the XOR gate. You just need to invert the outputs of the XOR gate and you'll get the outputs for the XNOR. Thanks for watching the video.